So hello friends, I'm Mr. Kanamakanto. Today I'm going to talk about this. This is a smartphone, not really capture, but smartphone stabilizer. So that you could focus on something and it stays focused there. But before I tell you the rest, subscribe to the channel to support us. Like the video if you like the video, dislike the video if you dislike the video, and of course comment down below something in case you want to comment down below something. Now, guess why isn't this so recognizable? Well, because number one, it's a pretty small brand. And number two, it's not mainstream, which both means the same. Now, why have I been avoiding the mainstream brands? Most of them are expensive. And let's say if you buy a cheap one and it breaks immediately, you lose less money than if you say buy an expensive one. And yeah, that kind of makes sense. You can buy another one and hope it does not break unless it fundamentally is immediately broken, which I think you could just report it. And yeah, so if you look at this, the brand's name is Funsnap. It says here just the model is Capture Pi. I wonder what does it have to do with 3.14, well, the irrational number used to calculate the, what is it, area of a circle. I wonder what is it, capturing pi. It doesn't actually capture pi. It says here, foldable and portable. Of course, you want it to be portable, especially when you want to record something. Live tracking, what is the number 4.0 supposed to mean here? The version? Well, I think so. Quick roll. If you want to track something, you better do it quickly. Inception mode, I don't know what this is. Native phone camera control. Does this control the camera on the phone, or does the camera software on the phone control this? It does not explain, at least on the front. Back, Capture Pi. Here, specifications. Listed in Chinese. I can't read Chinese. Also, the color is gray. So yeah, I guess we could cut it open. Obviously not the paper parts, just the plastic parts. This is vacuumed, sealed, I guess, or just covered in plastic. Okay, yep, I think that's enough. You can just strip it afterwards. Okay, yes, so this in the trash later. Just throw it. Okay. Is there any more tapes? I don't think there is. Oh, it's just a box. It's just that the box fits perfectly and it's really hard to move. Don't tell me I need to rip it. Please no. Let me check. Let me just check again. Okay. Okay. That works. Don't leave it open. Yeah, I mean, this should work. Oh, I see. That one part. Okay, the other one is blocking it. No, okay. Yep, it's still that one part. There you go. Yeah, this part keeps blocking it. That's why. There's no more tapes. Okay, why for some reason there is a symbol pi. Well then, we have the manual. Okay, there's somewhere. And of course we're going to throw it out later. This is styrofoam, made to look in the camera not like styrofoam, it is actually styrofoam. Actually, you know what? Here it is. I believe this is for the software, yes, the app. You need to download an app first, before you get this working. Obviously not now. Okay, that works. Okay, this is it. This is the project itself, by the way. Yep, works. Here is, what is it? What's this? I don't know. Oh, the tripod. But why is the container open in the first place? Okay, this is the tripod. Let's just put this back in. It's only used sometimes if you want to, you know, put it on the ground. Not hold this thing. Now this is the manual again. Wait, okay. Oh wait, there's still something here. There's a charger. You need to charge this first. Yeah, later. Okay, put this somewhere. And this too. There's nothing else inside yet. Okay, here's the user manual. There's also the app manual, which is in Chinese. Or is that just the Chinese version? Okay, nope, that's the... here it is. Contents: introducing capture by, getting started, folding or unfolding, charging, startup procedure, using the capture by. Why is it referring to the project like that? Controls and operations, operation modes, gimbal modes, controlling the camera, introducing capture to app, controlling original phone camera. Wait, you can still use that one? Huh. How firmware upgrade, how to upgrade, specifications, disclaimers and safety precautions, and warranty. 30 pages. I'm just going to skip to the important parts. Let's see here getting all started, folding, unfolding. Hold the handle with one hand, basically just like this. In the case that you want to, you know, fold it open. I also need to read this. Okay, you can just read that. Rotate to unfold. So you, oh, I have been, oh, don't tell me it's right. Also, you never ever try to turn this on while it is still folded or without a phone. Don't try it. It's just going to, you know, try to find the balance, but there is no balance and it will just break the motors. Also, why no balance? There's nothing here. Wait a second, there's still this thing. Clear camera position. Please follow illustration to attach phone. Please attach phone before power on gimbal. It says here. It even says there. I think there should be one right here too. Trigger, green light, blah blah blah. May app means user interface exit. Upgrade specifications. Nah. Before using capture by, please carefully read this manual, the content of which concerns your safety as well your legal rights and responsibility. Blah 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 blah. Failure to do so may result in injury, or you just read it. There's one whole page on it. And yeah. Now, since it's all done, if you want to use it, you can charge it first, and then download the app. The app is named Capture 2. You could even use a QR code. Hold on, let me just turn on the camera. Actually, you know what? Don't first. Okay. Yes, we haven't charged it yet. Alright, here it says, please follow illustration, blah blah blah. rear camera is right here, so this should do it, I guess. Wait, does it even follow the specifications? I'm not even sure. Or you do it like this? Yeah, you do it like that. Hold on. Not the power button, please. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. Okay, as you can see here, this is severely not balanced. I think this is the on button, isn't it? They look similar. Okay, so here is the recording button. Oh, here's the on button. 3 seconds in it. Okay. Yes, as you can see, it doesn't, go uncontrollably. It just tries to find the center of balance. And instead of it collapsing right here or right here, instead you get this. And yes, you sometimes get that. And if you download the app, you can track off something that you want to track. And if like this, I think you need to download the app, because then it will just be messy, especially if you accidentally do that and then the balancing is off. Can be possible. Or when you're right here, I think we need to stray away from the control buttons, like right here, and then you move a little bit right here, and wait, where is it? Ah, yes, here it is. And then it flips. You do not really want that. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, hold on. Ah, here it is. Wait, what's this for actually? I have no idea. Okay, let's try that. Maybe let's right here. I have no idea, but it does. Okay, flip that, I guess. Okay, it doesn't seem to be functioning. I don't even know. But I think it should be in the manual. Hold on, just. And yeah, I don't think you need to. Actually, let me just put it first. There should be the capture. Where is it? Okay, shutter button. Okay, number 2 is the yaw motor motion indicator joystick. Oh, you're supposed to use this apparently. Okay, you should try to flip it first using gravity, I guess. Or just, do that. Okay, yeah, it works. Now what about the flipping part? Ah, yes, it suddenly broke. Okay, what about the flipping part? Oh, I don't think he need. Let me just turn it off for a moment, because that's not a very good idea. Or okay, yeah, let's. Okay, that just turns it. What about right here? Wait, what is the red button? It should be right here. And I think it is important. Charging port, unbalance, battery level indicator, mode indicator. Green light solid, follow the. Okay, yeah, nope. That's just it. Underslang again. What if we just use the tripod? And why do I have to? Oops, I accidentally dropped. Okay, next part is opening it. Okay, actually, no, just turn it off first. And the scissor is better suited for this. Okay, now just rip it off. And I cannot. Oh, you don't even need to cut it open. Okay, screw it on, I guess. Which way? Okay, clockwise, you turn it clockwise. Yeah, I think this is the equalization. Okay. And what if we just move it? It moves this rotor. Wait, so here, rotate to extend. Oh wait, no, that's just when it is fold. And then if you go up, it means that this turns clockwise, not counterclockwise. This turns counterclockwise. There is, what about, I still haven't quite gotten what is this, or this one. Nope, that does not seem to do anything. What about this? Nope, that does not seem to do anything. Okay, should be here in the manual somewhere. Unfolded, folded, blah blah blah, mode indicator, inception, underslang, standard. Gimbal mode, no. Controlling your camera, no. This, no. Panorama, photo, video, shutter, no. There's none here. Okay, let's see. What is that used for? What is this used for? Wait, it says that's just the record. And what is this M for? I genuinely don't have any idea. Wait, I think I can just, check it again. Introducing Funsnap Capture. Now that I think about it, I'm just going to, test it. After, of course, I downloaded the app and charged the device. So yeah, I guess I'll make the video later. And I guess that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.